Welcome to Farmhouse Bliss, a place where contemporary living and rustic beauty coexist. Prepare to turn your room into a lovely, warm haven. Enter Farmhouse Bliss, your one-stop shop for sophisticated farmhouse decor ideas that add coziness and flair to any property. Please remember to subscribe for more motivational episodes, like our posts, and leave a comment if you like these farmhouse kitchen ideas. Click the bell icon to receive updates, and continue watching our series for classic room design inspiration. Rustic farmhouse kitchen design into your home, a style that captures timeless charm and cozy, lived-in warmth. Imagine walking into a kitchen where natural wood tones, vintage textures, and soft lighting create an inviting atmosphere. Every element in a farmhouse kitchen works to blend the practical with the beautiful, from classic farmhouse sinks to deep counters that offer both style and functionality. We'll explore how to achieve that balance, using textures like reclaimed wood, stone, and ceramic to add depth, while natural tones and neutral palettes make the space feel calm and timeless. Creating highlights and shadows on the basket and tomatoes, rich, deep colors of the wood, and the vibrant red of the tomatoes, textures emphasizing the woven basket, the rough wood of the counter, and the slightly dewy appearance of the herbs. Blurred background showing a rustic-style kitchen with plants and other kitchen elements. The overall mood is one of abundance, freshness, and rustic charm. Rustic kitchen scene featuring wooden cooking utensils and fresh herbs in a wire basket, resting on a wooden countertop against a white tiled backsplash. A wooden dining table set for dinner, focusing on the rough texture of the wood and the vintage silverware arranged on top. The background blur softly fades out the surrounding chairs and the farmhouse-style dining nook. An outside view of a lovely farmhouse enters a world where contemporary comfort and rustic beauty coexist. Construct an incredibly lifelike image of a welcoming farmhouse kitchen outside that is intended to delight and inspire. Highlight the open shelving filled with antique dishes and cookware. Our open shelving not only provides storage, but also adds a touch of rustic charm to the space. Small decor items make a big difference in setting the farmhouse kitchen's cozy, inviting atmosphere. From hanging plants to vintage canisters, these touches bring character to the space. Here is a warm and inviting look at a rustic farmhouse kitchen, where each piece has been carefully chosen to provide character and warmth. Every element, whether it's the vintage lights, the quaint cabinetry, or the cozy dining space, contributes to this kitchen's ability to be both genuinely pleasant and useful. If you enjoyed these farmhouse kitchen ideas, give us a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring episodes. Hit the bell icon to stay updated and keep following our series for timeless design ideas.